ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟಿವಿನೇ ನಡೆದು ಬಂದಂಥ ಹಾದಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ CEO ಬರುಣ್ ದಾಸ್ ಎರಡು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Good evening. Respected Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, Namaskara from TV9 family and from all of us present here. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Basivaraj Bommai-ji, members of his cabinet, our guest of honor this evening, the honorees, ladies and gentlemen. As Sridhar just said, TV9 Kannada has just completed 15 years. Even today, we remain conscious of our roles and responsibilities towards 7 crore people of Karnataka. I humbly say that the love and the respect of people of Karnataka have shown us and had made us no less than an institution. And hence, to remain true to the ethos of an institution, we wake up every day with a greater sense of responsibility. Way back in 1903, Mahatma Gandhi had set the moral and ethical context of the media. He said, I quote, "The sole aim of journalism should be service." What he meant that the purpose of journalism is way bigger than the needs of news business. At TV9 Network, we believe that journalism is our national duty. When we say Uttama Samajakkage, we mean every word of it. Our beloved Chief Minister, Sri Basivaraj Bommai-ji, sir, we must express that we remain deeply indebted that you could take your time out and be present here with us today. While we are burning the midnight oil, strategizing and driving the state's big development agenda, we understand that you have a significant role to play in driving our Honorable PM's vision, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas in Karnataka. Being at the helm of a state like Karnataka comes with some unique challenges. Let me explain why I feel so, sir. We TV9 Network with 6 news channels, almost all of which are leaders in their respective markets. We have several digital offerings catering to more than 100 million visitors every month. I personally travel across the length and breadth of this country. In fact, I've been out of my homeland, West Bengal, for almost 35 years. And I always felt that there is something about Karnataka. I think people of Karnataka, for whom on one hand excelling is just a habit, on the other hand they do not wear their regional identity on their sleeves. They seem to seamlessly blend in with the culture and ethos of the rest of the country. It is no wonder that when a Karnataka scales unprecedented heights in national and international arena, they seldom proclaim their regional identity. Instead, they proudly sport the identity of an Indian. Several such personalities who had excelled beyond the boundaries of the state and our country will be honored here tonight. And of course, no words are enough to describe Karnataka's entrepreneurship and innovation. The state has given about half of 70 Indian unicorns that the country boasts of. Incidentally, Navanakshatra Samman, for which we have gathered here, are not awards. I don't think, despite being the largest news network of the largest democracy in the world, we have the stature to award the shining nakshatras of the state. We simply feel honored to honor them. Hence, it is Navanakshatra Sanmana. So on behalf of the network, I want to thank each one of you for joining us to celebrate TV9 Kannada's Navarakshatra Sanmanam 2021. Namaskara.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಟಿವಿ9 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಇಒ ಬರುಣ್ ದಾಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ.